Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice Zippo. Now this one is not a real big seller, but I like it because, well, let's take a look at the label. It says Steampunk hat and goggles. It's a genuine Zippo. And there's a first look at this Steampunk. With a nice little fedora hat, goggles. Now this is on a brass case, that's the reason I bought it. And it's not really a big seller. You can see it was made in F of 15. I think that's May of 15, but it's got really good stampings. And like I said, I got it because it's brass. It does have a brass colored insert. It's got a really good sound. Let's do a drop test on this brass Steampunk. So this brass Steampunk passed the drop test nicely. This would be a good everyday carry. Won't show fingerprints. Got a good sound, and it comes with the brass colored steel insert chimney. It's a pretty good example of a brass Zippo. Now Zippo makes a few, probably a half a dozen Steampunk lighters. They're nice, and they definitely deserve cowbell, being made in the USA. Knuckle bump.